For this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo in your header for your website through WordPress. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to your page, and from your web page, access the customize page by clicking onto this section right here, which is located on the upper part of your screen. So once you have clicked on it, on the left side part of your screen, just simply locate for your header builder. So it is this section right here. Go to your header builder, and in the header builder should be able to see this. So the site title and logo primary menu. So just go to site and title menu, and as you can see, I already have a current logo. So if I wanted to change this current logo that I have on my website, I'm just going to click this change logo button right here. So once you've clicked on it, this section or this page will pop up. This is where you can upload the files for your image or upload your logo. And if you already uploaded your logo in your WordPress, you should be able to see it in here. So just simply select the logo in the section. So I'm going to with this one and then select. And then once you have done that, you just need to crop the image if you want to, but you can skip cropping, and then there you go. So now you can even change on this section right here. You can change the size of your logo if you want to, so you can make it smaller or make it bigger, or you can even change the number right here for the exact size number of your logo if you want to do that. I'm so sorry, I'm going to set it 96 again. And then if you're already satisfied with what you have in here, you just need to click onto this publish button on the upper left part of your screen to save the changes. So that's it for this video. That is how you can change the logo in your header through WordPress. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.